This conference will now be recorded.
Good afternoon, everyone, once again. So, hope my voice is audible to everyone. Please type it as yes if my voice is audible. Thank you for the responses. So, I was expecting anyone could be able to get me the link of last class. So, what we tried to do it on the WordPress. So, is it anyone tried it? Please type it as me. And let me also know that whether you are finding it easy or difficulty to understand with that. So first of all, let me know that how many of them tried to create it. Please type it as me. It's a free of cost. We are anyway. It's not real time. It is not free of cost. So, but we can be able to try with the trial version. That is the uh, options what we have it as a free site. So we could have tried that, and we would have added our content related to our uh, business, or it could be anything. See, whenever you are going to mm, do the branding, so you can be able to do it a branding in two ways. One is a personal branding, and another one is business branding. I can understand that most of them are not going to think on businesses in this situations. So since still you are doing your academics, you may not be much aware about on it. Okay. So let me know in this room how many of them are doing any kind of business. Is there anyone who is involved in any type of business? Either it could be their parents' business or it could be of their own. Aishi, Adia, good. Aishi and Adia, my next question for you people, and Pooja, that's very good. So, is that you people are helping out your parents' business? If it is like that, you can type it as parent. If it is your own business, type it as own. If it is someone's else, they are not related to your. Okay, that's very good. That's very good. So nice to hear this. Own business. Pooja, Aishi, and Adia, can you people let me know that what kind of business? Phone cover and pop sockets. I make this. That's very good. Oh, that's very good, Adia. Event management. Okay, these things are really looking very good. Good. Fine. So, are you people have got anything as a new business after starting with the digital marketing? Have you people implemented anything from the digital marketing? So finally, we want to know that real feedback, whether the program is helping you people to get more business out of it. Okay. Pooja, I want to get confirm, yeah, that whether after joining to this course that is digital marketing, so did you learn anything new thing that you have implemented and then you got it? through it. Adya, as well as for you, did you implemented anything through Google Ads? So at the real time, have you people have been implemented it? That's very good. That's very good, Ayushi. Fine. Thank you for your valuable feedbacks. Hope and I wish all the very best for you three people. All the very best. Do well with your businesses and let it be. Okay, then Anisha is come back. Okay, so we have got a new blogger. That's very nice. That's very nice, Anisha. Anisha, can I know that which is that platform or which is that website you are using it for the blogging? WordPress itself? Is it you have implemented it from yesterday after the session, or where you were using it before also? Okay. If you don't mind, Anisha, can I have your blog's link so that if anything I can suggest you, I can do that. So meanwhile, I request the other people also try to implement it. So try to put your skills. So it is now it is like digital marketing. It is always it is going to help you out to turn your contacts into contracts. Okay. So the people who are not aware about what you are, okay, so they will be able to come and take a work from you. You may be a solution provider for their problems. Okay, that's good, Anisha. Just a moment, I'll just take it out. Kindly people give me a minute of time. Okay, this is also looks good. Yeah, this looks very good, Anisha, and all the very best for this. Okay, so with this, why I was asking about all those things is so because I want to just share with few more things which is going to be help you out. So to showcase your skills, so showcase your talent. Okay, so always welcome, Anisha. So today we are going to see a few more places where we can be able to add our content. Okay, so let me go with. Yesterday we have seen that how we can be able to create with a website at a free of cost. So in case if you are happy with that, and if you want to do it at a real time business, so you can be able to buy that website and you can be able to own it for yourself. Okay, so at the real time also you can be able to make use of same pages. Okay, so try to refer some of the blogs also, Anish. I can suggest you on this, that try to refer some of the blogs. Okay, so who are there on the same field. Okay, so you can be able to find the people who are with the same taste and who are into a same kind of thoughts. Okay, so you can be able to have a backlink between you and other person who are sailing in the same boat. So you can be able to promote yourself on them, on their places, and you are going to uh, promote that person on your link. Okay, so that is one of the way of how you can be able to more to be on the top of the result pages searches. So that could be one of the fact of optimization, how naturally you can be there on the top of the result pages. Okay, creating the backlinks. And you can also take part in some of the forums where you can be able to meet up the people with the same mindsets. Okay, so in that I can be able to suggest you, have you heard, have you people have heard about this Quora? Quora, Quora? Yes. So is there anyone who was having an account on Quora website? Aishi Vikasini? Okay. So having an account over there, it is really, it is going to be worth for you people. Okay. So it is going to help you. Yeah. Yeah, that's very good having it an account, but try to make use of it. Okay, so if you are going to share your inputs on such type of forums, there are many other forums. Quora is one of the place we can call it as a discussion forums. So when you are going to talk about, when you are very much good at particular thing, okay. So I'll add a 5 minutes of explanation on niche marketing. So this could be helpful for you people to find yourself where you're good at and what you are going to bring it on the digital platform. Okay. So niche marketing is identifying your skills. Okay. So niche means you can be able to say that I'm good at this particular thing. I'm the master on this. Okay. So you can be able to select your topic. See, until and unless you know what you are, you cannot talk about any particular thing. Okay. So there are many people who are done with their academics with one particular stream, but they are very familiar in a different stream. Do you people agree with this? If you people agree, you can type it as agree. If you don't agree, you can type it as not. Right? That's very good. Okay. So when anyone is interested with any particular thing, so the skills will be on, uh, it is not going to be dependent on their what they are doing it in the outside world. It could be on what they are following it. Okay, so when you are doing it well, so why can't you bring that, you are going to say to your audiences what are the problems you can face it through it, what are the solutions for it. So if you're going to bring the problems and solutions both together, So people will start to follow with you, that they will believe on your words. Okay, so now you start to gain the attraction of your audiences, and then you try to get your audience as your contacts. Then you can turn it that contacts into contracts. So this is the purpose of digital it cannot be only as a digital marketing, it is a marketing. Okay, so but we are going to bring it this through the digital marketing. So niche marketing, it is one of the very important step before starting anything on the digital platform. So what it is, that means, so when you are going to think to bring something on the digital platform, so you should, I can suggest you, you have to list it out, minimum 5 topics. List out 5 topics which you are good at, which you are good in knowledge and solutions for the problems. So list out 5 topics which you are good in knowledge and solutions for the problems which are going to arise it over there. You should be able to know the pros and cons of that 5 important topics. Either it could be on cooking, or it could be on health diet, or it could be on, there are different factors you can be able to take into consideration. So you can, I think if you take it in the business category, so you can be able to select it, which is that particular business type you are good in thing. Okay, so for example, if I take it now itself, we had 3 people who are doing the business. So Ayushi is good in doing the designing works. So she said that she is doing designs on the phone cover and the pop socket. So it is that designing is our main niche. So she can do it on the phone cover. Is it only the phone covers you can be able to do it, Ayushi? Is it not on the paper, or it could be on any other uh, any object? Please don't mind. Yeah, that's very good. See, so even though you people are doing a BCom, but still you people are good at something else. So this is how, this is what we call it as a niche marketing. So you should be able to select that the top 5 categories of your interest, and you are good in that. You are happy to do that. So the main intention is you should be happy to do that. You should be happy to serve for that particular field. Okay, then secondly, so after listing out the 5 topics, so you have to cut it down from 5 to 2 topics. So that is where you are strong with knowledge and conveying messages and convince the people. So select 2 topics where you are going to be very strong with the knowledge and conveying the messages related to it, and convince the people. You are ready to convince the people. Hook or cook, you are going to get that person to be converted. Okay, so from 5 you make it as 2. Okay, then out of 2 you make it sure that in which particular category or on the niche your identification has to be found out. So what is your identification? Do not step into two different boats and try to sail. Okay, so try to pick that particular niche that you are good at. Okay, so try to, so this is what you are supposed to do it. before you started. Even though now if you have been into any other thing, and now if you want to change it yourself, okay, so take a half an hour time, and it is not now. Well, don't go now out of the session. So take half an hour time, make a list of 5 topics. In that, you make a two different important topics which you are very much good at, strong with the concepts, and you are the solution provider for it, and you are able to convince the people and convert it as your contracts. And finally, you select one particular the niche that you can be able to call it as your identification. Okay, so this is how you are going to choose your business. Then finally, you after selecting that, okay, so either when you select with the two different topics, or when you are very much clear with one topic, okay, so try to make at least 5 problems, 5 solutions, and how much you can charge it to solve the problem. So make it into 5 different questions. Okay. So try to make it a simple solution with a lower value. Then you can think on how you can be able to solve it the bigger problem, and you can be able to charge with a higher value. It's a simple way how you can go and buy a tablet in the a pharmacy, so that it will solve the small problem. So if you are not okay with that, you'll go to a clinic. If you are not going to get solved with the clinic, then what you are going to do it in as a surgeon. Okay, so treat yourself as a surgeon. So you can be able to solve the small problem, the medium problem, as well as the bigger problems also. So on that basis, you can be able to charge the prices for the people. Okay, so this is what the digital marketing it is going to be done. Hope you people were able to get some uh, a kind of information, and it has helped you to decide what kind of a topic you are going to do it. It is nothing but the business what you are going to pick it to do it in future. Either you do it as a personal branding with your own name, or your identification. If you want to make it as a business, you can make it as a business brand. So there you don't find any kind of differences. Okay. So either you want to team up and you do it, or you are going to do it on alone. Okay. So it is up to you people. Fine. Is that clear with the niche marketing? Please type it as clear. In case if you have any kind of doubt, you can get clear with that. Okay, that's very good. Thank you for the responses. Now, uh, try to have a Quora account. So it is simple. Go to the Quora.com, and you can be able to open up an account now with your Google account, and it will ask you to do certain kinds of activities. You have to do it to complete your profile. So once your profile is completed, so I think even Quora also will help you to identify your what is your niche, what you are able to solve it. Because when you are going to create this account, it will ask you what is your uh, topics, what you like it. Okay, so when you are going to select the topics, there you can find out what are the questions it will be asked by the people on certain topics. In that, whether you are able to solve the problems, or you are able to give some suggestions on the problem or on the questions. Okay, so when you are going to do this, you will be able to know that you will be able to see the responses from the people, and you can be able to identify where you are good at. Okay, so and the same platform you can be also able to use it for promoting your business over there. For example, after writing your answer, below your name you can add your link of your website or blog or your Facebook profile, anything. You just add it over there. Whichever the best answer is there, it will be there on the top of the answers list. Okay, so there, when it is there on the top of the answers list, then obviously people will try to, will have a curiosity that who is this person, how he or she will be helpful to us. So they are going to start to follow in your other profiles also. Okay, so try to make use of this. Fine. So now let's come back to the website. So yesterday we have seen with how to create with the website with the WordPress. Okay, so now WordPress website, what we created, it is like a newspaper. Okay, which will have multiple pages, like how we had a home, about, gallery, then the other services related or products related, and Anisha has added as a poems as a page. Okay, so like this you have multiple pages over there in the website. So now, whether your advertisement or your particular item which you want to promote it, whether do you will you put it in all the pages or you will put it in only one pages. Okay, so my direct question is whether you want to see the advertisement on the full newspaper, or do you want to have a separate paper, one sheet paper, which has all the information about your business. Single page or multiple page? Type it. Which will have more impact? Single page. Thank you, Vriddhi. Is there anyone? Yes. So most of them, I think, will be reading a newspaper. So you will be able to see the common newses in the newspaper, but there will be something extra sheet. It will be there where it will be carrying some business related, commercial related information. Okay, so like that. So now, instead of using the complete website, so it is up to the people if they have more products or services, the business types, business opportunities, they can have a website, as well as with that they can also add an additional thing as a landing page. So landing page is a single page which will have the information which you want to reach it to the people. So you can be able to design one single page which will have the main intention of your business. So what is the attractive product, attractive services you want to highlight it to the people, so that you can be able to add it as a landing page. Okay. So let's see how we can be able to create with this. There are certain page builders are there, landing page builders. So I can refer to you with the company called instapage.com. You can also refer with mailchimp.com. So here also you can be able to create this. And there is one more company called nicepage.com. So this is nicepage.com can allow you to prepare the page on the offline, and you can be able to link it to your existing page also, to your WordPress page also, you can be able to add with it. Okay, so these are the three companies which I can refer you to people to create any kind of a landing page, a single page which will have a business information. So let's see how we can be able to do with this. So first we will go with the website called Instapage. So let me go to the get started. So it will ask you to schedule it. Okay, so you can give your details of your business, and then you can be able to create a page. Okay, so before we had a Insta page at a free of cost at a trial period for 14 days. But now they made it into mandatory that you should show your business page, business information. It should be genuine business. Okay, so they will get connected to you and they can be able to allow you to create the page. Okay, but having an account in the Insta page, it will always help you out to get more and more audience towards to it, because the way of you design it, so it is going to be helpful. It is going to have lots of features. So there are lots of predefined templates also on the blank page templates also. You have a lots of options. Okay, so this is one place where we can be able to create with. So since we don't have any real-time business, so let's not go into this as of now. Let me go to another website, which is mailchimp.com. I think we have this login, mailchimp.com. Do you people remember for what purpose we used mailchimp.com? Can anyone let me know on this? For what purpose did we create a MailChimp.com website? Very good. It was for email marketing. So once you people are going to log into your MailChimp.com, so I think I have asked you people to save it with your email ID, username and password, what we are going to use it to create with MailChimp website. Okay, so it is asking you to enter with the code what it is given on the Gmail. So mail has been received. So let's submit it. So hope everyone are aware on this. Okay. So in the last class, we didn't see that how many people have been received a mail. So here it says that 18 people have received it. In that, only 4 people have opened their mails. So which we created with the email marketing, what we have sent a mail to the people. Okay. So this is how the reports it is going to generate on the mailchimp.com. Okay, So now, how do we create with the landing page from mailchimp.com? So I can just go with create option. So here we have a list over here. So in this, you can select it as landing page. Hope you people are able to see the screen. So you can click on this landing page option and you can be able to give the name of it. So let me give it. So I gave the name and continued it. So here I have to accept all the policies. Then next, you will be able to see a predefined templates. So you can be able to select it whichever is relevant to your business. Okay. So only there are few types of templates. Okay. So in this, let me select it this option. So let me take the template in the name as lead generation. So in case if you have already selected any template and if you are changing it, it will ask in this way. So make sure that you are changing the template. So it opens with the page. Okay. So you can just replace with all this information. So whatever it is there, you just click on this. Since you people have been already used with the email template creations, so it is almost similar to it. Okay. Okay. So click on save and close. So whenever you people are adding any content and if you want to move it to the next block, so I'll select with this. On the right hand side, you can see with the edit section. So whatever you are going to enter it, so the same thing it is going to show on the left hand side screen. So I can add the text like this and I can be able to change this, the size, or it could be a color, or it could be font type, or if you want to add any image, you can be able to add the image also. So let me change with the color. Okay. Click on save and close. The next, you can add the content over here. So let me go to Google My Business. I'll copy the content from there. I'll add it over here. Okay. Yeah. So I'll add with the. So if you want to add the image, you can also add the image with that. So let me save it. So in case if you want to add anything, you know that you can drag and drop over there. So what are the things you needed? So whatever I am going to tick over here, so it is going to be the mandatory option they have to fill up with. Then button text, I'll give it as call now. So we can be able to send a message also through the mail and click on save and close. You can change the content, what you are going to send it to them, the message. So save and close. Then anything about the business, you can be able to add it. So you can add the images. You can delete it in case if you do not want it. Let's create it. Images. Okay. So if you want to add any text over here, you can add with. The next is you can add a social share button, or you can add anything else in the footer level. Okay. Now, after doing all these changes, finally, we are going to click on save and close. So now it says that this is everything is ready, and this is going to be your URL of your page, what you have been created now. So in case if you have been purchased the domain, you can be able to connect the domain. Otherwise, you can be able to change with the name. So this is how the design will be. I can click on publish. So now on, you can be able to share this page. So let's see how it looks like on the internet. Yes. So this is what you are going to have it. A single page with the multiple information. So either you can use the Google My Business. So Google My Business will help you to get the neighbor audiences. Then here the landing page, it is going to be a single page where you can be able to add the information on any particular thing, okay, which you want to promote it, which you want to, for example, either it could be a new launch or it could be anything offered. So anything you want to specifically you want to discuss on it, you can be able to create it through landing page. In case if you want to talk about complete business, what are the things are available, then you can have a website page. Having a website page and the landing page together, there is no harm. There is no any kind of a problem. So in fact, you'll get more audiences on the landing page comparatively. So which you can be able to drive it to your website also. So in any of the content, you can be able to add a link. So that link, it will help you to get more and more audiences towards your business page. Is that clear? Are people are clear with this? How to create with the landing page? Please type it as clear in case if you are clear. If not understood, you can ask me to repeat it, or with any particular question, you can raise it. Fine. So let's have a break. So we will be back at 5:05. So at that time, we will start with a topic called Twitter marketing. Thank you for being online. Can I get a confirmation whether my voice is audible to everyone? Okay. Thank you for the responses. Fine. So, can I know the list of the social medias where we are very much familiar with and we have our accounts and we regularly used to it? So, can I know the list of social media platforms? Can anyone list me out? What are the social media places where we have account and we are using it on a regular basis? Which are the places? Okay, that's good. Instagram, then Twitter, good. Facebook, Pinterest, that's very good. Okay, so these are the social medias what we are going to use it. I think now it is very important for you people to make use of the social media is with our previous discussion on the before classes on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn also it is a best platform for you people, especially who are doing with their academics. So who can be able to get a job before you are going to finish your academics. So there are possibilities, and it is not only for learning, it is also for doing a business also. It is a big platform. Okay, so here we are going to divide it into two part. So marketing to the people who are going to buy my product, they are called as a B2C. So do you know what is B2C means? So what is B2C means? Business to consumer or customer. Then if you are not selling in a small quantity, if you are ready to give the business a bigger quantity, so then you are going to do it with business to business. Okay, so when we are going to do it with the business to consumer, we are going to use the social media which is familiar with this. Instagram, you can do it. You can be able to do it with a YouTube, or it could be Google My Business, or it could be Facebook. So you can use these spaces for the business to consumer. But when you are going to think on meeting the people who are going to take the decision makers, so to get connected with the decision makers, so that is B2B platform on the social media networking. So we can refer it with LinkedIn marketing. So LinkedIn is a good platform to get connected with the people. And Twitter also it is a one of the space where we can be able to meet the people who are going to take a decision makers. So we can also consider one of the B2B social media marketing site, Twitter and LinkedIn. Okay. So it is the top position, it is in the LinkedIn. Now then it is going to be the Twitter. So other social medias also does it, but it is not in that bigger way. Okay, so you might have been observed in our regular life we will be able to use the Twitter, especially the media people are using it, the Twitter. Okay, so if you people have been watched the news channels, so if there is any debate they are going to start with, if they want to create an awareness to the people that the debate it is going to be happen on this particular thing. So instead of putting it on the Facebook or Instagram rather, so they are going to put it on the Twitter, so that there the audiences are more over there. or we can also call it as more than B2B, we can also use it as a professional audience or more comparatively. Okay, so most of the time, the news channels they are going to leave their come up with their breaking news through the Twitter itself, and in some of the time they are going to take a vote like a polling vote. Okay, so vote polls we can be able to consider it. So vote polls will be created on the Twitter account, and it will ask you to get participated in that. Okay, so Twitter, it is one of the medium where you can be able to get connected with the business to business people also and the more professional people also. Okay, so let's try to make use of this Twitter platform for the business purpose also. Okay, so let's discuss on what are the tips and tricks we can be able to use it so that we can be able to get more and more audience through Twitter accounts. Fine. So I think in the last few before classes we have discussed that how many of them has a Twitter account. But when I there were some people who have created it, but they were not using it much on it. Okay, so let's try to make use of it now. So Twitter, hope you people are aware about the word. It will be pronounced as Twitter. So you can be able to give a wrong spelling that is a single T or triple T instead of giving double T. So still it is going to get open with a Twitter account. Okay, so there is no any other platform which is going to be given with a Twitter. Then you can be able to log in with your existing account, or you can think on how you can be able to sign up with this. So click on sign up. So let me create it for. And give the email ID. So click on next, sign up with account. A mail will be sent. So you can add a profile picture. I can skip now. Give a bio of yourself. That is nothing but the description. I'll skip it now. Then if you want to connect it with your existing account, or it could be with any contact numbers or with your email IDs, whatever the conversation you have been done with any of your other people's email IDs through your mail ID, then even that contacts also will be taken into consideration and you will be suggested to get connected with those people. Okay, so let me click on this upload contacts and select with that email ID. Make it as allow. So whatever the conversation you are that been done with through that account, so you will be able to get connected to it. Okay. So this is how you are going to get connected with Twitter account. So it will be quite easy. Within a minute, we were able to do it. Now, how you are going to be get identified? So the first and foremost, very important thing on the social media, whenever you are going to create it for the business purpose, it is always suggested to be used with your own profile images. Okay, so let me go to the profile. Add with your profile images, which is presently what you are, how you are looking, and it should be professional way of appearance. There should be a smile in your face so that you can be able to easily get identified. It is not that you are going to add of your kid times photo, or it could be something you have taken in the party, or it could be somewhere in the long side or long shot you have been taken it. So it should not be anything related to it. So LinkedIn and Twitter, it is going to be always considered as a B2B website, the social media networking site. So it is always suggested you to have a professional appearance. Okay, then you can be able to add with. So let's click on set up profile. You can add with. So the next thing is you are going to add a header. So let me add. Then what is your bio? So you have a up to 160 characters limitations. You can add it what you are. So instead of using the trainer, I'll use the word as coach. Okay. So I have given a small introduction of myself. Okay. So let me see with my profile. So this is how I'm going to add with my information. So why it is mandatory for you to show address? It is always suggested that you are going to add with your appearance, so that whether the people are getting connected with a machine or with a human being. So always we should be able to get represented as a human being, that there is a person whom we can be able to follow with. Okay, so it's mandatory with this. The next thing is Here you can be able to see with your user profile name. So try to give it the user profile name, so which is going to be identified and the people can be able to tag with easily. Okay, so let me go to the settings. So under the your account information, I'll go. So it will ask you to enter with your password. Enter with your password. So there it will be showing with your username. So like how we add a username in the LinkedIn as well as in the Facebook. So in the same way, we can be able to have our username. So I've added, this is my username where I can be able to get represented with this name on the Twitter handle. Okay, so when anyone is going to be uh, connecting with the tweet, so they can be able to connect it through this handle name. Okay, so same way you can be able to add the more information what you want to share it through your profile. So once after adding all this, let's come back to the home page. So here the home page, it is going to show with the news feeds with what kind of topics you are going to follow with. Okay, so if you want to follow with any trending topics, what is happening on this globe. Okay, so what the people are going to now are talking about. So you can see on the right hand side, so what's happening column. So here you can be able to see for the different topic and the categories, you can be able to find the news feeds. So in case if you want to follow with any celebrities or with a person or it could be a group, so you can be able to start to follow from here. So it is always suggested to have you have to follow with relevant to your interest things. Okay, so and it is always best to optimize your business page or with your Twitter page, so to reach out to the people more and more. Always you have to follow the people, try to comment on the tweets what they are going to do it, and try to retweet so that the people will be able to get connected more and more for the same tweet. Okay, so try to use some of this policies of how to optimize your social media platforms. Okay, so let me select with this. These are the trending ones. Suppose if you are very specific, you can go this on the left hand side as an explore option. So here you'll be able to find it on what topic you want to check with the news. So what's happening on the globe related to that particular specific category. So you can be able to search it over here and you can find it related to it. Okay, so this is how you are going to get connected with. And here you can find it one common thing. So which is very familiar with other social media. It was been started by this Twitter itself. So what is that common thing is hashtag. So hashtag is an option where you are going to use it to get connected to the people who are talking about the same topic. Okay, so we are using it as of now for the Instagram more comparatively. So you can be able to use it on the Twitter also. Twitter was the first platform where you were getting this hashtags on more usage. Okay, so you can be able to use the hashtag where you can be able to get connected to the people who are talking about that particular topic. So try to get connected through that. So try you also whenever you are going to create a new tweet, you can be able to add the more hashtags. Minimum three hashtags is mandatory to get connected, to get more views on your page or on the tweets. Okay, so what is the difference between the other social media and the Twitter is? So there we use the word as a post, here we use the word as a tweet. There we use the word as a share, here we are using the word as retweet. Okay, so there um, we are going to get connected to the people with the live. Here we are going to get connected more with the poll. Okay, so there are the same similarities are there, but it is in the different forms. Okay, so the next thing is you can be able to get connected with the contacts with whom you are connected with, whom you are following with. So you can directly do the conversation through the direct messages. You might have heard the word as DM. Okay, so you can be able to get connected through the messages option, and all the conversation it will be recorded over here. The next thing is you can be able to make a list. So here the list is nothing but the group. So you can be able to get connected to the certain types of groups, and you can also create your own groups also. So by clicking on this list. So first you should be able to get connected. The contact should be there in your Twitter account. The next connect. So you can be able to get connected to this either individual or with your uh, favorite celebrities, or it could be the groups also. You can be able to follow with this. The next is let's create a tweet. How do we create the tweet? So either you can go to the home page and there is an option directly over there as a tweet option over there. You can directly tweet it, or you can go and click on this button and you can be able to start to tweet. So here, what is that limitations we have it? So here the limitation of the characters. So whenever you are going to tweet it, so you can be able to tweet up to 280 characters. Before it was 140 characters. Now it has been uh, increased into 280 characters from last 2 years. The next, in the tweet, you can be able to add a image. Okay. So here, one of the tip I can give you that whenever you want to add more information. Okay. So but the limitation is 280 characters, but it doesn't mean that you have to uh, go with only one tweet. So you can do with a series of tweets, but it will be like a broken information. So one tip I can be able to give it to you people is you can add the headline in the tweet, and you can take a, or you can create a one graphical image, infographic image. In that you can have multiple information, because it is considered as an one image, but the characters it will have more than 280 characters, we can say. Okay, so you can make use of this tip, and you can be able to share with the uh, multiple information in one tweet itself. So this is one of the is it breaking the information in a tweet. Okay, so you can make use of that. The next is you can be able to add with GIF images also, and you can be able to create with a poll. As I said in the beginning of Twitter marketing, the Twitter it is mainly used for conducting with the poll. So by conducting the poll tweet, so you can be able to get more and more people getting engaged to your tweets. people will respond to it and they are going to retweet it. So the more responses you will be getting it through the poll tweets. The next is you can be able to add the emojis. Okay, so how many of them are using the social media on the desktop? They can type it as me. So my question is, how many of them are using the social media on the desktop? Is there anyone online? Hope I may get it the answer before the ending the session. Okay, so let me go with an tweet. So it's mandatory you should have a single tweet at least. So I'll add it this question. So is it Facebook or is it Twitter? So I can be able to specify that for how many days I want to run with a full contest. So it is there up to the 7 days. Okay, so let me give it as 1 day only, and I can be able to click on tweet. So you can see here the round circle which is there, which says that still you can be able to add the character in your tweet. In case if you want to have a continued tweet, then you can click on plus button so that it will add another tweet with that. So let me add the emoticons. So it is also suggested that adding the emoticons will have more attraction comparably when you have only the text on your tweets. Okay, so click on tweet. So you can be able to see it on your home. So you can be able to like with that. You can retweet, you can reply, you can share this, and you can be able to find it how many people have been checked with the tweet. Okay, so the next thing is you can go to the more option and you can be able to bookmark it. So in case if you are liking any of the particular tweets, you can be able to bookmark it. So for example, so I may follow with these people. Is my voice is audible to everyone? Is there anyone online? Yeah, thank you, Aritrika. Okay, so we were talking about how we can be able to create with the tweets, and you can be able to follow with the people, and now you can be able to add an tweets. So you can be able to reply to it, you can be able to retweet to it, you can be able to like with it. Okay, so you can be able to add with this. Now you can be able to go to the more option, and you can be able to select with the moments option. So what is this moments means? It is like you are going to share with your celebration. So any particular moment you want to share it. So you can be able to share with this by clicking an new moment option. So I'll be adding some information. So let me add the description over here. Okay. So with this, if you want to add any of the tweets which you have been already added, so you can add with this. So here it says you are supposed to add few of the tweets in your account. That is only not by running a tweet on your side. You should also like with the tweets. You should also retweet with your followed tweets. Okay, so you should be regularly active to share it with the movements. Okay, so there is a restrictions on the Twitter account, whereas on the other platforms we can be able to create it immediately with the moments, or it could be an option of creating a business pages or with the ads account. But Twitter, it is not going to allow you to do it until and unless it is going to be shown that you are able to create it with the multiple tweets on a regular basis. So if you're not active, then it is not going to allow you to do with the process. So this is the difference what you are going to find it with any other social media and with the Twitter. So here we have an option. If I go to the more, I have an option as Twitter ads. So here if you go, it will say that your account is ineligible to participate. Okay, until and unless you are going to be regular into the Twitter activities, then only it is going to allow it. Okay, so let me go to my another account. So here we will try it to do with the ads. So let me go to the Twitter ads. So you will be able to get a screen in this way to create with your ads. Okay. So once you are a regular, you are going to do the activities on the Twitter account, you will be able to get an access of Twitter ads. So you will be able to get the screen like this, a dashboard. Then you can be able to click on create campaign. So here you will be able to find with objective or the goals. So is your objective is of reaching the people, or do you want the people to watch your videos, or with the pre-roll views, or with the installation of your apps, or with the website? Do you want to drive your traffic towards your website, or do you want people to engage with your tweets, or you want to connect it with the app, and you are going to get connected more with your tweets through the app? Okay, so you should be able to select with the relevant campaign which you want to do with. So let me select it with reach. Click on next. So it is going to show with the campaign name to be added. So let me select it in this way. And it will be asking you to specify the amount in the your dollar itself. By default, it has taken the funding source as a credit or debit card. So the next one is, do you want to give it with daily budget of $100, lesser than that, or more than that? So you can specify the value. Do you want to specify that what is that amount you are ready to spend it for the total campaign? So that is total budget. It is an optional. The next, you are supposed to specify that from what day onwards you are going to start with your activity. So you can be able to enter the date and the timing also, you can specify it. So let me give it. Then do you want to end it on any specific day? You can specify it. The next, advanced, let it be by default as a standard recommended. Click on next. Next is add group. So do you want to specify the date and time from when you want to start it in the ad group? You can specify, it's optional, it's not mandatory. Then do you want to specify the amount on the ad group? So sometimes you may use the same ad group for the another ad. So you, in that cases, you can be able to specify the common amount what you are going to be ready to spend on it. And next, you can be able to select it, the maximum reach is your bid strategy. Is it a maximum reach or reach with engagement? When do you want to spend the money? Is that when the people are going to see with your tweets and getting connected, or is it only when they are going to see with your tweet and liking it? Okay, so if it is like that, you can be able to select with the relevant option. Let me select it with reach with engagement. The next, bid strategy, it is selected as automatic bid. Then pay by for the impressions. The next is demographics. So do you want to target the people with any gender specific? or with the age specific. You can be able to select with these two options. Then location wise, is it you want to target it only with the particular region, you can be able to specify with it. By default, it has selected with Indian country. Okay, if you do not want to select with this, you can be able to specify the place. So let me take it for example, Bangalore. So I'll take it as Metro Bangalore. Then is there any specification on language speaking people? So you can specify it. I'll not take anything, it's an option. Then next, are you targeting the people who are using with the operating system with Android or iOS or with the desktop versions? So you can specify it. So I'll be targeting all the Android, iOS people also and the desktop users also. Then is there any specification that particularly this device they are going to use it? So only those people we are targeting, then you can select it over that. So here you can also target the people who are going to install the Twitter app in their new phone and they are using it for the first time. So you can specify that. So you can be able to select with the audience list based on the app activity, or you are being created with any of the list or with the website traffic. So you can select with that. Then keywords. So do you want to target the people based on the keywords, or do you want to target the people who are looking, so who are similar to the activities? Do you want to target the people based on the interest, what kind of activities they are doing on the internet, on the Twitter? So they are searching for what kind of tweets. So based on that, you want to target them. So do you want to target the people who are going to follow with the entertainment related? So you can be able to target the audiences based on all these options. Then placements, by default it has taken as home timeline. Then do you want to target it with the profile wise or with the search result wise? So let it be selected with all these options. Then next, do you want to do the advertisement on this particular tweet? So you can be able to select with that and you can be able to continue with. Then click on next. So what all the information you have been added till now? So it is going to show over here. If you are looking for any changes, you can be able to go to the edit option and you can be able to launch the campaign. So if you have been given with your credit card or debit card details, bank details, then the ad it will get started immediately. Okay, so these are the options where you can be able to use a Twitter account for your personal branding as well as for your business branding also. And if you are regularly you are going to be active on the Twitter platform, you can be able to create with the ads also. Okay, so this is what we are going to discuss on the Twitter marketing. So the more and more you are going to uh, do the activity by sending a tweets of your own, by following some of the tweets, or you are going to share it with the tweets and retweets. Okay, so this will make your presence on the top of the results. Okay, so by this we are going to end up with Twitter marketing. So is there a session tomorrow also? Do we have a session tomorrow also at the same time? Okay, so let me get confirmed with that, and I'll let you know through the group only. Okay, thank you all. Have a nice day.